This is the first ever African Local Content Roundtable organized by the Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board in partnership with the African Petroleum Producers Organization, and it is managed by the Heritage Times. Simply put, African leaders of local content are coming together to see how to maximize and optimize our opportunities, our human capital, and our money.
We must therefore use the opportunity of this roundtable to initiate conversations around local content, share success stories, challenges, and come up with policies that will deepen local participation and domiciliation in our respective countries.
We have 600 million people who do not have access to modern energy. And we do not believe that with our 2% contribution to greenhouse gas emissions, we should deny these 600 million people access to energy. Without energy, you can't make any development.
A very fulfilling day for me because I believe that discussions like this start in setups like this. And I think we've started a journey, and I think together we will push this forward. And I count on you, all of you to support Omar Farouk as he takes the baton for us to move forward in order that Africa local content will come to stay. I am passionate about the African Local Content Bank or Fund that we should set up in order to support African businesses wherever they are, whatever they want, so that we can push them to provide service for this continent.
Nigerian Oil and Gas Parkscape, which is one of our flagship projects designed to create an enabling environment for manufacturing of equipment, materials, chemicals for the oil and gas sector. So this visit is just to show them that if they're to implement local content, there has to be a deliberate effort on the part of government to create this kind of infrastructure that will reduce the startup costs for manufacturers in their country and also reduce the operating expenses for manufacturers so that the manufacturers can start early and become competitive, and the business can also be sustainable. So what we showcased here is how we've been able to create this environment, how we've been able to design the layout to include manufacturing shop floor, capacity building section where trainings can happen, and then also there's also the administrative block where you have the clinics, the banks, the restaurants, and other supporting infrastructure. There's also a section that houses the embedded power solution so that each manufacturer does not have to produce its own power. Now, if you're able to create this kind of environment, you're ultimately reducing their per unit cost of service delivery. You help them to fast track their setting up and then also ensure that they are sustainable. The ultimate objective is for us to attract world-class original equipment manufacturers from across the globe to set up shop floor in Bielsa here, produce quality materials, quality equipment, quality chemicals that will be used in Nigerian oil fields.